In this video, there will be a comparison between two different Behringer audio interfaces, U-Phoria UM-2 and UMC202HD. Since I have experience with both models, the difference in sound quality between them can be tested with the use of a microphone, an electric guitar, and an electroacoustic guitar. Before we dive into the testing phase, let's take a moment to explore the technical specifications of both devices. From this point forward, the voiceover will remain at a consistent volume level as initially recorded.
The U-Phoria UM-2 features a combined XLR and 6.3mm socket labeled as mic line 1 and a single 6.3mm jack labeled as ins2. The mic line 1 input incorporates the Xenix mic preamp, which is specifically compatible with the XLR connector. To utilize the Xenix preamp for amplifying your microphone using the line input, you need to connect one side of the cable to the XLR jack. The volume knobs are conveniently positioned at the top panel of the device and control the gain levels for both the first and second inputs as well as the monitor. If you are using a condenser microphone that requires additional power, you can activate a switch at the back of the device to add 48 volts of the phantom power to the input. The monitor can be connected using the RCA connector, while the 6.3mm direct monitor jack provides stereo audio monitoring for both sockets. In other words, the direct monitor jack allows for stereo monitoring of either the mic line 1, ins2, or both inputs simultaneously. Unlike the UM2 model, the UMC202HD is equipped with two XLR 6.3mm combo sockets, labeled as input 1 and input 2, allowing for the connection of two XLR or two 6.3mm inputs, or a combination of both. The UMC202HD features a Midas preamp instead of the Xenix mic preamp found in the UM2 model. The sound gain level control on the UMC202HD is more complex, offering options to switch between line and ins modes and adjust volume with a pad switch. For direct monitor control, the UMC202HD uses a phone's knob. In terms of monitoring, unlike the UM2 model, the UMC202HD individually monitors inputs 1 and 2, with input 1 signal routed to the left channel and input 2 signal routed to the right channel, which on the other hand allows for precise monitoring and control of each audio source during recording or playback. The UMC202HD's output knob controls the gain level of the output, which consists of two 6.3mm jacks for the left and right channels respectively. If you require proper connectivity, you may need to consider purchasing a 6.3mm to 2x 6.3mm jack cable then.
This has been the technical review of both UM2 and UMC202HD audio interfaces. Now let's compare the microphone, acoustic guitar, and electric guitar, allowing you to experience their performance firsthand. Note that the electric guitar will be plugged in directly without the pedal effects to show its clean sound.
Mic line 1 socket of the UM2. My microphone is connected using a 6.3mm jack. At the maximum level, the raw audio is quiet, which hence adds up some noise to the recording. Mic line 1 socket. My microphone is connected using an XLR jack. The sound is much louder than using the 6.3mm jack, but the noise is still yet barely audible. Input 1 socket of the UMC202HD. My microphone is connected using a 6.3mm jack. At the moment, the gain is maxed out, line mode, and pad is off. The sound at these settings is approximately the same as using the 6.3mm on the UM2 model. Once again, line mode, pad is off. Instrument mode, pad is off. Instrument mode, pad is on. Line mode, pad is on. And back again, line mode, pad is off. Input 1 socket. My microphone is connected using an XLR jack. Same as previously, the gain is maxed out, pad is off, but the XLR disables line ins mode switch. The sound at these settings is approximately the same as using the XLR on the UM2 model. Pad is off, pad is on. Back again, pad is off. By the way, the same for both 6.3mm and XLR goes with the input too.
To conclude, the UM2 audio interface is suitable for beginners or those new to working with audio interfaces, offering a good starting point. On the other hand, the UMC202HD provides superior sound quality and lower noise levels, making it a worthwhile upgrade. In my personal experience, transitioning from the UM2 to the UMC202HD was due to its enhanced functionality and the notable sound improvement, particularly in terms of reduced noise levels, thanks to the additional sound control triggers. I hope you found this comparison video useful. If so, hit the like button and comment below what you think. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications to stay in touch with new updates. Here was Matt, and I see you in the next video. Cheers!